Jim, what does Kanopi do in terms of planning out these kinds of content migrations to ensure that SEO doesn't suffer and that what needs to be preserved is preserved, and then opportunities for simplification are appropriately taken up?
Why, funny you should ask, Steve. But we do a lot of spreadsheets.
Spreadsheets.
Yes, I know everybody's been waiting for this. Like the cool old 90s websites are the best, but we live in spreadsheet land for a long time to aggregate data about the site. And we do this in many different forms, and then bring them to the team to discuss and disperse throughout their stakeholders also. So one of the first things we do, and Steve, I've known you worked on this spreadsheet, a decade or so ago.
This is taking me back.
Is do an audit of the Drupal 7 site. So where are we coming from? So this spreadsheet helps us architect or discover what the Drupal 7 site is made of. So we go through every entity. You can see at the bottom here, there are a million tabs of entities and entity-like things, image styles, path auto patterns. The content types is the secret sauce here, because that's most of what you migrate. The Drupal 7 site used field collections, which migrate to paragraphs in a modern Drupal instance, since field collections no longer exist. And then on each content type, you have many, many fields, and it would be an understatement if I didn't say the Exploratorium content types didn't have many, 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 many fields. But that's not all, because the structure only defines what a developer set up at one point in time. We also do content audits. So inside of that Drupal structure, you can actually see, okay, there's this add slideshow field that has zero content. You have a body field, but you also have additional body content. Well, that sounds a little bit hacky. Maybe we should not do that in the future. So it really gave us insight into, what was there, and what could be left behind, most importantly.